How to add captions in video using vid. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add a captions to your video using vid.io. So first just head over to your vid.io application, or you can just head over to its website, and once you're inside here, just tap on the first link and make sure you click on get started and just upload your video, any of the video which you like to, or you like to add a caption. So let me just quickly show you that by simply enlarging it so that I don't see any of the pre-existing captions. So now to simply generate a caption, you can just head over to the subtitles section on the left side, and you can just choose your language as well as, and click on this auto subtitle in English so that it will automatically change or generate the subtitle for my video based on my sound audio. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until it generates. So as you can see, it has successfully generated me a captions for my video. So you can just automatically edit it manually as well, or you can just further add subtitle from over here as well. And you can basically change its color by simply heading over to style and change its font color and trim the video if you want as well. So that is exactly how you can easily add captions on your videos using vid.io. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.